So Porter taking the inside line. McNeil going to try to carry momentum to close him down, and they're side by side for the Spec late model victory.
Oh no!
A massive hit into turn number 3. Andy Partridge has slammed the wall. The 77 of Kenny Smith also crashes. The red flag will come out immediately, and we will get the fire and safety crew over there to check out Andy Partridge immediately. A massive hit here at Irwindale Speedway, folks. The fire and safety crew is on the scene, and we'll let the fire and safety crew do their job here and get you an update as soon as we have one. Again, that's Andy Partridge that just went into the wall over into turn number 3 along with Kenny Smith. We just got the report. The 21 machine driver, Andy Partridge, is okay.
What a blessing.
You see the Jan's tow truck and the fire rescue, Irwindale Fire Rescue, doing their part, cleaning up. You see the 21 on the rollback.
So obviously we just saw a pretty horrific crash, but I've got somebody with me here. This is awesome, Andy Partridge. He wanted to come over here and talk to you fans and let you know he is okay. We've checked him out. He took a really long hit, but he's got some family members he wants to say hi to.
I love you, Mom. No, guys, that was intense. That was a battle of the centuries up until the hit of the century. Let's just really just keep Kenny in our thoughts and hope he's okay. That was scary, and hopefully they find my roof. I don't know where that went. Love you guys. Have fun.
Come on, make some noise for this young man right here, dude. That was a tough hit. Tommy, you know, I was talking to Kenny. They're going to take him for precaution, and we're going to be thinking of him. All right, guys, thank you.
That was massive. Now
You could tell which car took the sandwich on that hit.
yeah, no, this was a huge hit that happened into turn number 3. Just, I mean, honestly, like, really no other way to say it than it was a scary hit.
And it's the highest speed part of the racetrack.
Yeah, I am taking a look here, trying to kind of diagnose this incident. On the broadcast, we are taking a look at a replay to kind of just get a feel for the incident. Good to hear from Andy. Again, folks, that was Andy Partridge. That was the car you just saw flying on the back straightaway. And, again, just wanted to let the family know that, let Mom know that he's okay.
Yeah.
In interest of all the stuff that's going on right now, I do have Andrew Porter right here, who's been deemed the winner of the race. Congratulations, Andrew. We have talked to Cowboy Kenny. He is alert. I'll let you just tell him he's okay.
Yeah, I went and checked on him. He's in good spirits. Everything's good. He's just going to get checked out. So, but talk to him. He's good. I'm going to head over there right now. So thank you guys again for showing up. It is so awesome to see all you guys.